Today, I will tell you how you can create your own name service in reseller hosting. First of all, you have to go to the place where you bought your domain. From where you have taken the domain, you will see an option called Private Name Server if not Child Name Server. Here you will get the option to create name servers. You can put anything in name server. I am creating scenes 1 and scenes 2 with name, and you have to enter the IP address of the server below, which you will see in your cpanel by name shared IP. Then, as soon as this is done, you have to open and login your reseller cpanel. After the cpanel opens, you have to write Zone Editor there and search. After the Zone Editor is open, you have to enter the name service from there, scenes 1 and scenes 2, and then in the address, you have to enter the IP address of the server. So, after doing all this, your name server has been created. It takes 24 hours for the DSN to be updated, but before that, if your domain provided is good, then I wait for it to be updated. My all DNS got updated in just 1 minute. If you are also looking for a reliable web hosting end-to-end provide, then Fukra Host will be best for you. Thanks for watching this video.